Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So friends, let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. Here you can see an hourly chart of natural gas futures where you can see that since November 22nd, 2019, when the natural gas futures touched the highs of $2.707, we have seen continuous decline in natural gas futures when the natural gas futures touched the lows of $2.270 on November 29, 2019. And since then, in an hourly chart, the natural gas futures have found a bottom at these levels. Here you can see that the natural gas futures have found a good bottom at the levels of $2.288 when touched this level once again on December 2nd, 2019. Since then, we have seen a sharp recovery in natural gas futures when the natural gas futures take a steep upward move up to the levels of $2.510 when the natural gas futures face stiff resistance at 200 days moving average. So friends, here I would like to tell you that this 200 days moving average provides stiff resistance to natural gas futures whenever they come below this moving average. And here you can see that in an hourly chart, once again the natural gas futures are trying to sustain above the levels of $2.410, where I find that still they are struggling inside the Ichimoku cloud in an hourly chart. Friends, here you can see that the natural gas futures have been constantly struggling amid the Ichimoku clouds, where I find that as we are going to have impending inventory announcement today after a few hours from now, where I find that the announcement of a withdrawal more than expected levels may result in a gap here where we can see the natural gas futures to take a sharp upward move above the 200 days moving average, where I find that the natural gas futures may find their immediate resistance at the levels of $2.528, where this level may provide some stiff resistance to natural gas futures in case of an upward move, but I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.578 may result in more upward moves up to the levels of $2.650 on December 5th, 2019, where I find if the natural gas futures closes this week above the levels of $2.688, no doubt that the natural gas futures may find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week. So friends, this is my expected trading zone for the upcoming week, where I find that a gap up opening in natural gas futures above the levels of $2.688 may keep the natural gas futures above the levels of $2.613, where after a sustainable move, we may see the natural gas futures to take more sharp upward moves during the upcoming weeks. So friends, now let us see this chart in a daily time frame. Here in a daily time frame, I find that here we are going to see a V-shaped recovery in natural gas futures because we are just amid the season of a cyclical change when we find the growing demand during the season, which will keep stockpile levels on the withdrawal side, where I find that the announcement of withdrawal more than 50 billion cubic feet may result in more upward moves during the upcoming weeks in natural gas futures. So friends, here I have constructed my expected trading zone for the natural gas futures from December 9, 2019 to February 17, 2020. This will be my period where my stop loss levels will be at the levels of $2.2 and my targets will be up to the levels of $3.217, where I find that the natural gas futures may definitely test these levels during the upcoming weeks. So friends, I find that a sustained move in a daily time frame above the Ichimoku cloud will see the natural gas futures to face an immediate resistance at the levels of the 2.728, and a sustained move above this level will result in a sharp upward moves up to the levels of $2.952, where the natural gas futures may find their second resistance, but a sustained move above this level will result in a sharp upward move to test the new highs up to the levels of $3.218, where I find the natural gas futures may test this level during the upcoming months. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.